You need to download the Concierge app. This is what it looks like. It is a black lightning bolt with a green background. Now that you have downloaded the Concierge app, this is how you begin registration. You will register for an account. The business code for Our Lady of the Lakes is capital O, capital L, capital L. You will see that this business code is valid. Please click Next. Here you will enter your username, which will be your email and your information. Finish. Your registration is complete. Now you will receive an email to the email that you registered. Make sure you go to that email and click on registration link. There you will create the password for your account. Click Register. You have now completed your registration with your password. Please make sure now you log in to the app using your username and password. Log in. Once you have logged in, you will click on the green plus circle. You must take a picture or it will not let you continue. You will add profile. Once this registration is completed, please click on where it says V badge. Next step, you will click on the login at the bottom right. You will re-enter your username and password. You will log in. Once you log in, this is where you will enter your student's information. You should already have your student's unique ID available. Please enter your student's unique ID and your student's date of birth. Once that is complete, you will add student. At this point, your student is added successfully. If you have any additional students, please make sure to repeat this process per student. Once that is completed, you will click on the dismissal card. You will see your student's information here.